we're unveiling the secrets that can significantly enhance your journey as a triathlete. Whether you have a few races under your belt or you're just starting out, these tips will help you level up your game. Let's get right into it. Hard work. First and foremost, hard work is the cornerstone of any successful triathlon journey. The hours you put into training, the dedication to your craft, it all adds up. Success is often a result of consistent effort over time. So, embrace the grind, challenge yourself, and push beyond your limits. Triathlon is as much a mental game as it is physical, and hard work builds mental toughness. Enjoy the training process. If you're not having fun, it's going to be tough to stay consistent. Find joy in the small victories, appreciate the progress you make, and mix up your training routine to keep things exciting. It's not just about the race day, it's about the entire journey. So, make your training sessions something to look forward to. Consistency. Consistency is key. It's not about the occasional intense workout, it's about regularly putting in the effort. Establish a realistic training schedule that you can stick to week after week. Consistency builds a strong foundation and allows you to progress steadily. Make it a habit, and soon you'll see the results unfold. Discipline. Discipline goes hand in hand with consistency. Stay committed to your training plan even when motivation wanes. Triathlons require a high level of commitment, and discipline is what keeps you on track when the going gets tough. Create a structured routine, set goals, and hold yourself accountable. Your success depends on it. No shortcuts. Triathlon success doesn't come from taking shortcuts. There's no substitute for hard work, proper training, and dedication. Avoid the temptation to skip essential elements of your training or rush your progress. Triathlon is a journey, and each step you take is a building block for success. Process over special products. Finally, focus on a results-driven process rather than relying on special products. While gear and supplements can enhance your performance, they're the frosting on the cake. Ensure you have a solid foundation first, a well-structured training plan, good nutrition, and proper recovery. Invest in the basics before splurging on the extras. At this point, you may be thinking that all of these tips are common sense, which leads me to my final point. There are no secrets. Work hard, stay consistent with your training, and the results will follow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on becoming a better triathlete. Until next time, stay committed, stay focused, and keep chasing those goals. Happy training!